Welcome to Beautyistic. Have you ever wondered if there's a mascara that delivers everything you need? Volume, length, and durability, all while caring for your lashes? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring Wet n Wild's Breakup Proof Mascara, a product that's designed to keep your lashes flawless no matter what life throws at you. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on more honest reviews just like this one. Now, let's get into the details of this mascara. Wet n Wild Breakup Proof Mascara is a voluminous, lengthening, and waterproof formula that promises to keep your lashes looking thick and full all day long, without smudging, clumping, or flaking. What's even better is that it's vegan and cruelty-free, so you can feel good about your beauty choices. The formula is enriched with nourishing ingredients like castor oil, vitamin E, and vegetable collagen, all of which are designed to leave your lashes feeling healthy and conditioned, not just coated in pigment. The mascara's brush is specially crafted to hug each lash from root to tip, ensuring that every lash gets coated for maximum color payoff and no clumps. I've had a chance to test this mascara in several situations. Whether it was a long day at work or a night out, I wanted to see if it could truly withstand anything. From the get-go, the application was smooth and easy. The brush allowed me to get into every corner of my lashes, even those hard-to-reach inner corners. And honestly, after just one coat, my lashes were already noticeably longer and thicker. But here's where it gets impressive. The waterproof formula held up through every test. From light rain to a more emotional moment, we've all been there, right? This mascara didn't budge. It stayed in place without smudging, leaving my lashes looking fresh throughout the day. Now, while the mascara performed well, there are a couple of minor things to note. The formula can feel a bit heavy after multiple coats, so if you're a fan of a lighter, more natural look, this might feel a bit too thick for you. Also, if you have sensitive eyes, you might want to take extra care when removing it, as waterproof formulas can sometimes be a bit stubborn. So, what's the value for money? For its price point, I'd say this mascara offers excellent performance. You're getting not only a voluminous and lengthening mascara, but also a formula that actively nourishes your lashes. That's pretty rare for a budget-friendly product, so it's definitely worth the investment if you're looking for a reliable, everyday mascara. If you're comparing it to other mascaras in the same category, it certainly holds its ground. There are pricier alternatives, but this one punches above its weight in terms of performance, and it's perfect for anyone looking for something long-lasting without breaking the bank. As far as build quality goes, I found the packaging to be sleek and durable. The tube feels sturdy, and the wand is easy to control, which is key for ensuring a mess-free application. This mascara should definitely last you a while, and while I didn't notice any major changes in performance over time, I'd recommend replacing it after about 3 months for hygiene reasons. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you are itching to get it, the link is in the comments below. Now, if you're looking for a few alternatives that offer similar performance, there are other waterproof mascaras out there, but Wet n Wild Breakup Proof gives you the most for your money when it comes to longevity and lash care ingredients. To wrap it up, Wet n Wild Breakup Proof Mascara delivers on its promises. It's volumizing, lengthening, waterproof, and best of all, cruelty-free. I'd recommend it to anyone who needs a reliable mascara that can handle anything from a full workday to unexpected weather. And of course, those tough emotional moments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below if you've used this mascara. I'd love to hear your experience with it. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.